This is a very nice 1956 Lincoln Premier four-door sedan. It happens to be for sale at Gateway Classics in Orlando, Lake Mary, Florida. Notice the heraldic deck ornament there. And we have exhaust that is exiting via the bumper. And there's the wands there in the back, which signify air conditioning. The evaporator is actually in the trunk. Now there's very little room between the cars, so I can't get very good shots of the interior or really the exterior. So if you like to look at this car in more detail, it is on the website for Gateway Classics, and they have a video of it which is quite extensive and shows you everything in detail. Now this interior is very, very nice. Tritone white, red, and black. Naturally automatic transmission, power steering, the works. And it has the electronic eye headlight dimmer on the far left of the instrument panel. Of course, power windows, goes without saying. Here's the description: 368 Y block V8. But as I mentioned, a much longer description and test drive is on their website. At least it was while this car was for sale. Now, I did this video back in the end of May, so who knows, by now it may be sold. But at any rate, it's worthy of taking a second look. Now, massive front end there. And again, more medieval stuff there with that hood ornament. That's what you need, a knight out there in front of the car protecting you at all times. And notice the hooded headlights. This is an all-new dramatic restyle for Lincoln. Wraparound windshield. Now this was the first year for the wraparound windshield for Lincoln. Almost everybody had it by the preceding year, but it waited for the entire redo in '56 for Lincoln. And I remember these cars. I remember a friend of the family had one. Very impressive. Drove up in this thing and wow. So this car was made to impress, no question about it. And there again are the wands that deliver the cool air from the trunk evaporator, and the grills in the middle were to take air in from the interior of the car, which was got quite hot. So that was the system.